NFTs are one of the hottest trends in investing at the moment, and a lot of the companies involved in this space are young with extremely volatile shares, but those shares have done, exceptionally well in many cases. But I think there's a way to tap into this exciting area of the market with a company I've done quite well with over the years. Hi, I'm Matthew Carr, Chief Trend Strategist at the Oxford Club. Thank you for watching this episode of Market Trends. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my best trading ideas, which I share here each and every week. Now, during the past few years, I've booked my share of triple-digit wins on Funko, ticker symbol FNKO. It's actually been such a successful trade in the past that I even explored getting my own pop figure made to hand out to subscribers. Now, if you're not familiar, the company manufactures and distributes licensed pop culture collectibles and products in the US and internationally. The most popular of these are its iconic Funko Pop figures. It currently offers more than 800 licensed properties from more than 200 content providers. Now, the business of nostalgia and collectibles is a good one. Funko just reported first quarter earnings. Expectations were for $180.3 million in revenue with earnings of 11 cents per share. Funko topped that, reporting a 38% increase in sales to $189.2 million as net sales in the US grew 39% and sales in Europe jumped even more, 55%. EPS surged to 24 cents. And the company sees, its full year revenue now growing between 33 and 38% with, EPS as high as $1.12. So on this fantastic report that Funko just released, shares jumped 19.9%, setting new 52-week highs. They've since pulled back some with the big tech sell-off that we have going on. Everybody worried about inflation and the rotation trade taking place. But going forward, the outlook remains quite strong for the company. For the second quarter, Funko should report a 107% increase in revenue to $203.3 million. At the same time, we're looking for earnings to swing from a loss of 20 cents a year ago to a gain of 17 cents. That's a huge, massive turnaround. Then as we look out to the third quarter, we're looking for $228.3 million in sales with earnings of 32 cents per share. These are solid, very strong growth figures. But here's what's really exciting. At the beginning of April, Funko announced it had acquired a majority stake in TokenWave. This company is the brains behind Token Head, one of the leading mobile apps for showcasing and tracking NFTs. It currently has 10 million NFTs on display with more than 100,000 visits per day. Now, the details of the deal weren't released, but this is part of Funko's strategy to carve out a sizable piece of the NFT market. And as Funko is a pop culture collectibles company, this nascent industry is right up its alley. So in fact, in June, Funko will begin launching its first NFTs. Each week, it'll release a new digital asset with a starting price of $9.99. These will be made available on the Wax platform, which will provide authenticity to the purchases, right? So this is a marriage between physical and digital assets using Wax's patented NFT technology Viral, right? Funko's business is already seeing very strong growth this year, but the added potential of NFTs is something, as investors, we can't ignore. This could generate a lot more upside, and with shares of Funko currently trading below their 52-week high of $25.51, which was just sent after those first quarter earnings, and shares are still below those all-time highs of nearly $28 in 2019, they look like an attractive, less volatile way to tap into the interest in NFTs. Well, I'm Matthew Carr, Chief Trend Strategist for the Oxford Club. Thank you for watching this episode of Market Trends. For more information like this, be sure to go down to the description and sign up for my free e-letter. Until next time, here's to high returns.